The Allen Bradley Rockwell Automation Bulletin 800K line of IP69K high pressure, high temperature caustic washdown grade push buttons is ideal for meeting the harsh environments of the food and beverage and similar environment applications. The product line is offered in both a 30mm and 22mm size and uses superior grade stainless steel, thermoplastics, and piezo technology to provide a crevice-free operator which virtually eliminates areas where bacteria can grow. The 800K allows for engraving on the operator face, eliminating the need for legend plates and additional contamination areas. The 800K product offering has been certified to UL, CSA, and EN standards and has passed Ecolab's 15-day submersion chemical resistance test and is ideal for your harshest chemical environment.